It took me a little while. I finally got one of my own. You're coming home with me, feller. Hey there, feller. Let's get you unloaded. Let this thing warm up a little bit.
Have you ever watched your man? You're ruining the video. Just shush. Have you ever watched your man fall in love with another woman?
What are you doing?
Right in front of your eyes.
What are you doing?
He's already touched her more than he's touched me. Jeez, I gotta just keep backing up because this thing is so long. Can't get the whole thing in there. There we go.
Hey, when you pull that thing into your garage, does your garage shake? Is it in yet?
Monkeying with his camera. Let's get the show on the road. We're burning daylight.
Hopefully I don't make it go off the trailer. Well, in the bad way, you know? We'll take it slow. Brakes are good. Take it for a quick stroll around the yard. We'll move you fellers. Yeah, you're better than all these. You're not gonna sit over here. I got the perfect spot for you.
Have you ever seen a sad guy in a 2+2? So far I haven't. He seems pretty happy. Ladies, just let him get the toys.
We're gonna park you right here. And the wife has to look at you whenever she does chores. Oh, this door is a little sprung. You'll be able to see it on the outside. But as far as the cab goes, it's pretty clean in here. Nice interior. 4 auxiliary remotes. Not all tore up. It's got the, nicer aftermarket steps. The park high-low shifter here did just rape me a little bit, but it's all right, guys. As you can see here, it's had some issues with the door. It's a little bit sprung. I'll work on that sometime. But overall, she's pretty nice. Aftermarket nose on it. It's cracked there. Decals are a little faded. Pretty sure the rear tires have fluid in it. She seemed to touch heavy. That step looks a little bit bent. I don't really feel like doing that, but I noticed when I unchained it, these were down, so it probably has the O-ring on the 3-point piston. There's an update that goes to the boxcar Magnum style where it's a lip seal. If I need to, I'll put that in. But the remotes have all been updated to the, the Magnum style. Or I think they actually came out with these in the 88s. You just shove it right in there. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, dear?
You did this on purpose, didn't you?
What?
You parked it right here, so I have to walk around it to do chores every day, so I have to see it.
I would never do that. She's got rabbits in there. We got cattle and goats out there and her dogs.
What's the quotes for?
You know what that's for.
And you're not even going to let me have a ride?
Okay. There isn't really anywhere for you to sit in here, though.
I rode in the other one.
Yeah, that's different, though.
Why?
Because this one has shifters that rape you.
Oh.
In the way. The other one, they're on the other side.
Oh.
I don't know if she's ever been in an 86 series. I think she has. See? Right where your buddy seat would be.
I see that.
I guess maybe you'll like that.
I'll have to stand.
Maybe you gotta drive.
No.
Well, she wants to ride, I guess.
Don't drop it. You're gonna love my commentary, by the way, on there.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. I was told the radio doesn't get any stations, but it is an original. Ooh, 8-track.
Okay, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna do this.
I don't have a tilt column, otherwise,
I just have to sort of stand.
Here, you can...
I don't want to be in the way of you.
No, you should probably be alright. I won't change gears. Just, yeah.
You don't have to take me too far.
It'll be fine.
Around the yard.
I remember when I was a little kid, I used to like sit up in the back up in
That's
there.
where I used to sit in the Alice. That's why the pillow was there.
I think we're in a pretty high gear. Fellers, trust me, she's gonna fall in love with it. When she's out in the field alone for a while with it. Hopefully no weird stuff going on in it.
I like to rip and dig.
Well, we don't have a ripper. Not yet. I don't know if I would put it on here anyways. Yeah, none of these are as cool as this tractor. The Alice is close. This video will probably be too long for a short. Isn't she sweet?
It's better than the other one. It's better than the other one.
Yeah.
It's nicer.
Oh, definitely.
Are you sure it's not too nice for you?
It might be.
Look at it over there.
Yeah, I know, right? It might be. I usually don't get tractors this nice. But when it's something special, I do get nice stuff. Like the skid steer, the backhoe. Those were pretty nice. And I paid dearly for them.
You know, even with the shifters right here, and it kind of jabbing my leg, it's like still more comfortable than the Alice.
Probably. Hold on. I'm not trying anything with you here.
That's like right in my crotch.
Yep. Good thing we're not backing up much. And,
Okay, right where I have to go around.
and today, you got a lesson in 86 series shifters.
Okay.
The other one, they're all over here.
So you have some over there and some over here?
No,
What's over there?
hydraulics.
Oh. So I
And this
thought I
has
seen
4 of
motors.
them. And this has 4 of them over here.
It's weird. It's like driving on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, kinda. I mean, yeah, you go from the 66 series and 06 series and 56 having the shifter over here and the TA here to having it down here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's weird.
So like the 33, or I mean the 63, 65, 67 with it being over here would be like more correct to the way IH used to be. But I mean, even like the 656 or whatever, they had the shifter up here. So it's just kind of weird that they put it down here, and a lot of people didn't like that.
Mm.
You didn't seem to mind it though.
Not that
We're keeping
terrible, I guess. If you're not like constantly having to shift.
We're also trying to keep it PG, so.
Oh. Okay.
All right, get out now.
Stay.
It's missing a shock up there apparently. I just noticed that. Well, it is a different door than what it came with.
Trying to get up.
So when we looked at it this fall, this fall, it had a different door on here, but it was not an IH one. So this is actually an IH door, but it's tweaked. So I'll have to try to fix it. So you got a quick little ride in it. You can see it with your eyes and stuff. What What's your opinion on it?
I'm supposed to have an opinion.
Well, I don't know. I mean,
It's a 2+2, the ugliest tractor ever made, but I guess it can grow on me like the Jetta did.
yeah, the Jetta. She was so mad I brought that thing home. Now it's her car. Yeah. Well, I see I didn't smash my camera over there. Thanks, fellers. If you want to buy some merch to help me buy more stuff, I got t-shirts in my merch store wherever. You don't have to, but yeah, she's gonna have to look at that every time she does chores now. It's gonna grow on her.
Hey!
Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Take care. You wanna run them?